Hey guys, welcome back to SoftTech. It's me, Lukman. So, as I said in the last video, today I will be showing you how to download WhatsApp status in all the Android phone. It's simple, free, and easy. So, if you're watching the video without subscribing, please subscribe and click the bell icon next to it. Also, like, share, and comment. Also, try to follow this Instagram account. Let's start. So, the name of the application is Status Saver. Okay, so I will give the application link in the description. Now let's see how it works. Take WhatsApp and check the status which you want to download. So actually I want to download this. And okay. Now go back to the status saver. You will get a photo here automatically. Your photo is here. Now what you have to do is just click the download button right here, and the status is saved. If the information in this video helped you at any time, then please give a like, share and subscribe. So without the good topic, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.